Welcome to this video. My name is Ellen van Andel from the TU Delft. In this video, I will guide you through the process of prototyping with a step-by-step approach that you can apply to your own project. Before you start, make sure that your project aim is clear. What is the goal of your project and why is your project important? Write down what the problem is that you aim to solve with your project and what idea do you have to solve that problem. Also, think about any knowledge gaps regarding your project that you would like to reduce. Once you know what is the problem that you work on with your project and you have a certain idea in mind to solve it, you can start testing it by following the 5 steps. Let's go to step 1. What is the goal of your prototype? First, you should determine the purpose of your model before you start building it. What would you like to find out with the use of your prototype? Which knowledge gap do you want to reduce? Maybe you are in need of some more ideas? Or you want to communicate your idea with potential users? Or do you want to test your concept with potential customers? Step 2. What is the test method that fits the goal of your prototype? Think about how you can best test out your idea or concept. And with whom would you like to test it out? Examples of test methods are observation, discussion, role-play or interview. Also, think about the criteria for your test that prove that it is a success. If you, for instance, interview 10 people about the prototype, do all 10 have to respond positively in order for you to conclude that the prototype is a perfect version? Up to you to choose the metrics here. Step 3. Which type of prototype suits best? Would only depicting your idea suffice at this stage, or do you need a more advanced high-fidelity level prototype? Think about and decide what kind of prototype is needed for the kind of information you are seeking for. What is the required level of detail for your prototype? And what kind of materials do you need to create this prototype? Once you know what kind of prototype suits your test method best, you can start building it. Now, you have your prototype ready. You can run your test. In step 4, you put your prototype to the test. Something that is very important to do at this stage is to make sure to record and report all the feedback obtained. So take notes, take pictures or make videos, which you can use later on for analyzing your test results. Maybe you want to start a discussion with potential users about your prototype and the features that do or do not work. What are their expectations? What features do they find useful? And which features are not needed and can be removed? Pay close attention to all reactions and feedback during the test. After you have executed your test, you can go to step 5, in which you reflect on your prototype test results and draw some conclusions based on the findings. You might want to improve your idea or concept and run another test with the improved version. Usually, you need to iterate a few times to get a final proof of concept of your solution. Thank you for listening and good luck with your project.